part 2 of the problem with my coil out of my old IEL chainsaw. Nah, you can see the coil is loose on the plate. Got a lot of play in there. So basically the rivets that hold the coil to the plate are loose. You can see there's space in between there, and you can wiggle the whole coil and they move. So I thought about using the hammer on it and putting it flat on something like that, and then hammering down on the rivet on each side, that one and that one. But I changed my mind. The answer was right in front of me. It's the vise, so I'm going to press it as much as I can. So there we go. There, you can see the put in the vise. Now I'm going to start applying some pressure just to take up that slab. A little bit more. We'll see here. There you go. Tighten it up real good. I'll do the other side. Without damaging anything. There you go. No more slop. No more slop at all. Fixed.